Welcome back to our channel. Today we're doing the 7-day ramen challenge. So first we started off with shrimp, and we have raw shrimp, chicken soup, and red peppers. So first I started off with a pot, and I crushed up the ramens and put it into the bowl, added the water. So right now I'm stirring the ramen while it's on low temperature. Before it starts boiling, I am separating the ramen just because I don't want a thick consistency of the ramen stuck together, so I'm separating the ramen with a fork, and I'm going to be doing this for a little bit until the noodles start to separate and get soft. And then after that, I'm going to let it sit in. So basically I'm just gonna start letting it cook by itself. It should take a few minutes. Honestly, it's instantly cooked if you have it on high temperature, so I have it on high, and it should take about 3 minutes, but I would also check to make sure the noodles are thoroughly cooked before anything. So I didn't put any of the salt packets are inside the ramen packaging, just because I just don't want it to be a chicken flavored, because that's not what we're making today. We ended up drawing out our shrimp category for the 7-day challenge. So after it started just boiling, that's when you know it's halfway done, if you have it on high temperature with the noodles. So if you don't have an adult with you, please make sure you have somebody with you, making sure that it's not going to overflow and burn you. Constantly stir it. Obviously it looks more better when it's hot and warm, and make sure you're able to pick it up and it looks like soft. You can also use the fork to determine if it's done cooking. So now I turned off the stove, and now I'm draining out the excess water. I cleaned out the pan, and I'm putting in water in it so I can boil the shrimp, because I have raw shrimp, so I have to cook it to make sure it's thoroughly cooked before I start the process of mixing the flavoring with the shrimp. So you can also use whatever type of shrimp you want. You can use cooked shrimp if you prefer to do that instead of doing this extra step, but it's totally up to you on how you want to do it. So on the packaging it does tell you how long to cook the shrimp if it's uncut. So now it's halfway done to being cooked. It's on low temperature for the shrimp. It should be at least like 7 minutes to have it thoroughly cooked. Don't correct me on that. I'm not too sure how long it cooked. I just made sure that it was pink enough to be sure I can detail the fish. And either way, I am still putting it on the stove in the next processing. So now that I detailed the shrimp and took all the legs off of the shrimp, now put it back on the stove. So now that I am getting my rest of my ingredients into the bowl, I used butter to make, I don't have any water or anything else, so I use butter to make a flavor of the shrimp, so I have some type of flavoring in there. So I'm waiting for the butter to melt, and I'm also adding a little bit of shredded cheese just to make some texture to the shrimp. Don't add too much. I accidentally added too much to our ingredients, but just put like a dash of cheese so it has some texture. Mix it around and make sure the butter is thoroughly cooked, and so is the shredded cheese, to make the cheese melt with the shrimp. And then I'll be also adding the red pepper as well to give it that some kick of a spiciness, if you like that. If you don't prefer to add the peppered flakes, you don't have to. I'm adding more butter just because I know noticed that it's not gonna be enough for how long I have to like thoroughly wait for the cheese to melt. But that's up to you. You can add as much butter or less butter to the shrimp. It's totally up to you. So now I'm adding in the pepper flakes. You can add as much or as little as you want to make this. So basically I'm just gonna eyeball it. I'm not gonna be because I know how much I like, and I know that not a lot of people like spicy, so you can put as much as you think you prefer. So that's how it looks like when it's all melted together. You can mix the cheese, make sure it's thoroughly mixed so you can taste the actual texture, and it's gonna make the soupy consistency since we didn't use the powder that comes into the ramen.